In this jam-packed video, we are going to tell the story so far of the Operation Volvo 940. We are also finally revealing the winner of this exclusive Momo and Grumblo collaboration steering wheel. Plus, you guys voted for your favorite exhaust in the JT tuning episode, so we will reveal which one was your favorite in the end. This operation started with the goal of finding the perfect fun-having car. The criteria: it had to look good, sound good and drive good. And I think we nailed it.
There's Markus from Grumblo. We are all about pure car sounds, and in this episode we are going to buy a Volvo.
Everyone knows a Volvo when they see one.
From a really badass drifter guy.
I don't know why he has this. I don't know why I'm about to buy it from him. Will it make it?
I don't know. you have to try it. If you want to go home, don't do it. Until you're at home.
The drone is ridiculous. We are going to need ear protection on the drive. Let's take a look at what we have going on for us here. So it's a Volvo 940 from 1991. 2.3 liter turbo single cam 8 valve engine, originally producing 165 horsepower. This has doubled the boost compared to the standard car, so we are going with perhaps 200-220 horsepower.
I think there is something coming from under the car.
I don't see anything visually wrong. The exhaust is hanging really low, but I'm quite worried of the noise that's coming from the gearbox when the car is idling.
When I first heard about this, I wasn't sure if Markus is really serious about it, but I guess he proved his point.
So considering the state of the car, we thought the most appropriate place to test it is a Finnish folk racing circuit.
Amazing day. It is unbelievable. We've been beating on this piece of garbage for 3 hours straight. What a car. It looks horrible. Now we have to start detailing it before we can start modifying so that it actually looks a little bit better on the camera. What a fun thing to be doing, this snow foaming part. Let's let the foam dwell for a couple of minutes and rinse it off, and then we'll go into the proper contact wash. Flex Tools has sent us a bunch of power tools, cordless power tools, some corded tools. So we are going to have the best of the best to work with. So I think we'll unbox those first, then we'll take a look at the state of the car and make some sort of a plan.
Okay, that sounds good.
Let's go.
This is like, please open, and this is, I wasn't asking.
We already knew there was going to be a lot of little stuff to fix on the outside of the car. However, we hadn't really seen the underside, so we decided to lift the car up, remove the wheels and investigate a little further. So, what should we do first?
Today we're going to be installing a cooling package to our Volvo, which is tested up to 900 horsepower. Look at that. Da-da-da-da. Let's try it in here. Actually drops in pretty nicely. It's raining rust. I don't know what we're doing, but I like it. So bunch of suspension components are out, and now they're gonna go next to Rally Systems to get a hefty upgrade. And there you have it.
I'm actually speechless.
Oh man.
59 North D004s.
Look at this. Hey, it turns.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
It's broken. Ta-ta!
It's the first time we get to see inside of the trunk.
Ah!
I want you to get the car paint perfect within 48 hours.
So the challenge is on from Gion, guys. The clock is ticking. Now we really have to start polishing. I think we might actually make it. We have Anssi and Hassan both hands-on with polishing. You can actually see the metal flake on this side.
Now let's remove the old exhaust system and see what happens. This Volvo is amazing solid. It's dirty but no rust.
The Volvo is back. We are upgrading to the most exclusive steering wheel in the world, and he's going to drive the car.
For the very first time. Let's go and check out how this will fit in the car. New and fresh stuff. Wow. There it is, in all of its glory.
In this video, we are trying 3 different sounding exhausts from JT Tuning on our project Volvo, plus comparing it to a straight pipe sound. You will learn about frequencies, you will learn about decibels, and how to modulate exhaust sounds with different technologies.
It's definitely illegal for any use, especially if your neighbors have a fire gun.
That sums it up quite nicely. Now let's get to the exhaust business. In the previous episode, you guys voted for your favorite version of the JT Tuning exhaust for our Volvo. The winner is number 2, which was the aggressive custom-made silencer by Martelius Exhaust with the silenced outlet tip. This exhaust has the perfect balance between aggressive note on acceleration and enough silencing for the normal driving and idle. So I think you guys nailed it. That's our favorite as well, and that's the one that's going to also be sold in the martelius.com online store. Now it's time to raffle the winner for the Momo steering wheel. We are going to use commentpicker.com. I will press a button here and the system will randomly select one of you guys' comment. Let's see who gets the win. And the winner is Nathan Royster. You commented, I would put that steering wheel in a Volvo wagon project build. Excellent choice. Congratulations, Nathan. This project has been a blast so far. We've had a great time with the team building this car. It already has thousands and thousands of euros worth of upgrades, and it is pretty sweet, but we are not there yet. We are, however, going to give this car away when we feel that it's ready for the giveaway. That's it for this one. Leave a comment down below what has been your favorite part of the build so far. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned.